what a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Most important part of any day is, of course, breakfast. So, let's see what we got. Ah, fuck. Alright, friends, people, audience. We are going to be working on, well, let me just show you. Give me a second. Big reveal. Boop. That's right. The Not So Super Nova is now coming to YouTube. Now, I've never really done the whole YouTube thing before. It's always been one of those things I've kind of had on my bucket list, my to-dos, if you would. But truth be told, I know nothing about it. This is going to be my first video. Probably won't be great. Hopefully it gets better. Maybe not. I'd be lucky if I get 5 views on this thing. God, what a hunk of... Yeah, I definitely jumped the shark with this one a little bit. See, I bought this thinking it was going to be easy because it ran. It's one of those few Facebook Marketplace finds that actually had itself running and didn't look completely clapped out. Clearly had an engine. Even the lights worked. And yet, when I brought it home, I started digging in a little bit, started picking it apart. I would notice things. Notice little holes, some not so savory details that you don't really see when you're first looking at a car. Now that I've gotten into it, I thought, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it right. I'm going to tear it down, I'm going to repair it all, I'm going to make it nice. At least deal with the rust situation. Rust is just the mortal enemy of any car, boat, building, bridge, really anything made of steel. You don't want the rust. It's like this infection that just seems to grow and spread. I would know a thing or two about infections. The funny thing is, to fix rust like this, you need fabrication skills. Fabrication skills. And I don't have those. I mean, I bought a welder, so I guess that's a start. But it's going to be a learning curve. It's going to be a learning curve. By the way, I thought this was like just like steel. No, this is Bondo and foam. Like this whole section is just spray foam. It's just rotted out spray foam. Like, how does that even happen? And the wiring harness is completely toast. Like, this back half's fine, but everything under the hood was like Frankenstein together. I tried to clean it up, but really just needs a new wiring harness. This is all rusted out too, so it's all getting taken apart. That's kind of where I'm at with it. Hopefully I can start chipping away at the rust and kind of make it not rusty. Move on to the wiring so that it has nice wiring. Because I got big plans for, oh yes. This used to have an inline 6, which is why this is here. This is actually meant to be cut out. It's blocking like 20% of the radiator, and that makes a difference when you got a 350. I probably should just bought like a fully restored car at this point. Let's talk about the YouTube bit of it. I know I don't have the best voice. It's probably a bit nerdy. I am a bit nerdy. I also don't know really what to include for dialogue. See, in the world of car YouTubes, you kind of fall into one of two categories. You know what you're doing with the car, and you can do some really cool stuff with the car. Or you know what you're doing with YouTube and video editing, and you can do some really good stuff with the video. I have neither of those talents. It's just going to be me fumbling about with this, an investment. Yes, I should have just purchased a fully restored car at this point. Anyway, today's mission is going to be kind of simple. I need to pull the radiator off, which means I gotta get all the ranch water out of the engine. Here's the plan. Ranch water is very toxic. You don't want to just pour it down your drain. Your local government's going to probably take issue with that. I'm trying to do things here responsibly. So I bought this jug. I have no idea if it's big enough, but we're about to find out. And so I don't make a mess, I got some hose right here. Where's the hose at? And let's see. Oh, look. Oh, a Milwaukee pump. Oh, man, it's Milwaukee. Who would have guessed it would have been Milwaukee? And we'll pump out most of it to hopefully make this as easy as possible. Let's dive into it. Did I get this the right size? Oh, thank God. Now, of course, the most empirical measure for this is kind of just eyeball it. Eyeball it. All right, let's see. Yeah. Okay. That takes care of that. You know, half my screwdriver collection is really just screwdrivers I found. At least a couple of these I found in the Nova, taken it apart. Also found this in the Nova. Free tools. That is a one plus to buying an old car. Chances are, if you're short on tools, that old car will come with a few that the previous owner didn't even know were there. Bam. 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 I wonder what Emerald's up to these days. And then, how much of this do I really need? Yeah, fuck it. I'm just going to use the whole thing. Random hook here. Boop. Honestly, I should get rid of those safety glasses. It's not even like I use them. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. Safety squints all the way, baby. God, I hope y'all can see this. I'm just a little bit camera shy, so I'm doing the whole POV thing. Can't imagine any other creator that's done just POV only. God, that's good. Suck side, blow side. Here we go. All right. Fuck. Oh, should I have gone a smaller hose? Oh, nope. Found it. It's tight fit. Come on. Slip you. There we go. All right. Now for the fun part. Oh, fuck. Ooh, that was a close one. We'll just, fuck. All right. Okay. Is that it? That can't be it. Yeah, this should go a lot deeper than that. Let me just get a different angle on it. You know, when it comes to a really long hose, sometimes you gotta try different angles. At least that's what my girlfriend tells me. Just kidding. I don't have a girlfriend. It's kind of dumb they put this whole transmission cooler thing on this side. Like, how else am I supposed to pump all this coolant out? Yeah, come on. Deeper. Yeah. I got like a good stream, and that's sort of like psh, 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 psh. And it's sort of like an old man with flame prostate going in. All right. How's this doing? There's still plenty in the engine. It's making noises. Yeah, I was kind of expecting there to be actually a lot more coolant. I think that's enough of that. We're just going to pan the rest out. Alright. Okay. Fantastic. Let's. Okay. Come on. Don't make a mess. Don't. Oh. Well, I'll be dipped. That worked out pretty well. We'll bottle this up for later. No, I'm not going to reuse it. I might reuse it. Boop. Okay. Nope. Like, who's like, oh yeah, let's create a screwdriver that will just constantly cam out and will be impossible to use with any sort of power tool. Oh fuck! This hose is still full of coolant. Oh yeah, there it is. There we. Yep. Can anyone do this without making a mess? No way. No way is that fused. Nope. This engine got a little bit cooked last time it ran. I actually think every single hose in here just got absolutely cooked. There we go. Come on, you son of a... Come on. Oh. Jeez. I don't think there'll ever be a time that I actually get this right in the first try. Just will never happen. Oh. No way. See, you just gotta doubt yourself enough. Then the universe will once again prove you're wrong. This is how you lose bolts, by the way. This would sit here and stay there for years, thinking that this actually mounted something. Just fun. Hey, it's not stupid if it works, right? Actually, what I normally do, at least when taking it apart, is I just put all the bolts kind of loosely into the holes they came from. We'll get some diagonal cutters. I've heard a lot of names for diagonal cutters, by the way. Let me know in the comments what you call these. We'll see if YouTube censorship kicks in. Mmm. Yummy. Oh, did I? Oh, I was kind of clever with this. I did this. Yeah, look at me go. Almost like I knew what I was doing. Just like the school book says, righty loosey, lefty tighty. Yeah. This other one's kind of loose. Ah, all right. Oh, no. Oh. God damn it. This way, sir. I got half of it in the bin. We'll just let that do that, and I'll ponder my life choices. Do. Batteries are expensive. You go for the battery, it's like, oh, $500. It's like, for what? Chinese rare earth minerals? All that stuff from China was meant to be cheap. Ah, that was a good breakfast. Thought I've also had is kind of in one of those neighborhoods where all the houses are really close to each other, and I'm effectively just talking to myself. I do wonder if my neighbors think I'm a little bit. I mean, they probably thought that anyway when I was bringing home this bucket. I mean, this beautiful thing. Oh, all right. We're like sort of getting there. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. That's changing a beautiful color towards the end. Alrighty. Look at that. That's at least 5 cents worth of aluminum right there. Good God. Oh, what a mess. Oh dear. Oh dear. All right. I think that's going to do it for this episode, everyone. Thank you for watching. I'm going to get this cleaned up and reconsider everything that's brought me here. I'll see you in the next one.